Looking for the best point-and-shoot cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Fujifilm X100 VI. The Fujifilm X100 VI is easily the best point-and-shoot camera released in 2024. Don't get us wrong, the hype around this camera and its predecessor, the Fujifilm X100 VI, got a little out of hand, relegating the new model into backordered purgatory. But the hype is mostly earned. It's a fantastic fixed-lens camera with a laundry list of features you won't find all in one place on any other point-and-shoot. This includes a high-resolution APS-C sensor, a fast f/2 lens, a unique hybrid viewfinder that's both optical and electronic, and in-body image stabilization, IBIS, not to mention advanced video recording capability. The image quality is fantastic, with plenty of dynamic range and resolving power to give you more leeway to crop, plus it has a highly effective AF system. That said, stock issues aside, this camera doesn't come cheap. Not everyone needs a premium fixed-lens camera with a 35mm equivalent field of view, especially at the price Fujifilm is asking. If that's the case, or you're tired of waiting for it to ship, you'll find a few other options below that may suit your needs better. Number 2. RICOH GR. The RICOH GR3 isn't nearly as flashy as the Fujifilm X100 VI, but if you're after a compact camera with a prime lens and an APS-C sensor, this is one of the best alternatives to the Fuji, and it's notably cheaper. Its sensor doesn't have as high a resolution, but it's still enough to capture sharp, detailed photos with excellent image quality and dynamic range. Despite a relatively large APS-C sensor and IBIS, this camera also manages to be truly pocketable, much more so than the X100 VI, so it's a great fit for street and travel photography. To that end, it's aimed at those seeking a pure photography experience with fewer bells and whistles, so don't expect the same advanced video features you get with the Fujifilm or even basics like a tilting screen. Some may also find the lack of a viewfinder limiting, especially compared to the X100 VI's hybrid viewfinder. Its 28mm full-frame equivalent lens offers a wider field of view, but if you prefer something a bit closer to a natural field of view, the slightly pricier RICOH GR-I9 has a 40mm equivalent lens. You can also opt for the HDF variant, which trades the original model's ND filter for a highlight diffusion filter that creates a dreamy, diffused light effect. Number 3. Sony RX100 VII. If you prefer a point-and-shoot with a more versatile zoom lens, it doesn't get much better than the Sony RX100 VII. This premium option is loaded with more features than a Swiss Army knife, including an excellent 1-inch stacked design sensor that captures great image quality for its class and allows for quick 20 frames per second burst shooting. Despite its compact size, the camera also has a wide range of useful extra features like a pop-up electronic viewfinder and a pop-up flash. Though its zoom lens isn't the sharpest or fastest, it has a fairly wide zoom range, giving you a lot of flexibility with framing and allowing you to capture faraway subjects. Add in a fantastic autofocus system, and this is one of the best point-and-shoot digital cameras on the market. No wonder it's on its 7th iteration and counting. And if the price is too steep for you, you can still find older generations on the used market at a lower cost. Number 4. Sony ZV-1. If you're looking for a compact camera for vlogging, the Sony ZV-1 has the market cornered. It's small, lightweight, and designed specifically for vloggers, with features you won't find on more photography-oriented cameras. While this camera doesn't have a viewfinder, it's the only camera on this list with a fully articulated screen, making it easy to monitor yourself while recording. It also comes with a detachable windscreen for its microphone to help cut down on ambient noise. Sony has since released the Sony ZV-1 II, with a wider angle lens that's ideal for walk and talk vlogs. Still, the original model is an even better deal now that its successor is out, and it has some advantages, like optical stabilization, so we still recommend it over the ZV-1 II. The camera uses Sony's ever-reliable autofocus and even includes specialized modes like Product Showcase, which automatically shifts focus to any object held up in the frame rather than prioritizing your face, which is ideal for product and beauty vloggers. Like most point-and-shoots, battery performance is limited, especially if you're recording in 4K. However, the ZV-1 is tough to beat if you need something compact for vlogging or video.